Another highly efficient way to filter your data in a target dashboard is by using drill-down criteria. Let's look at an example using the equipment turn dashboard. This dashboard includes 4 data objects, 2 crosstabs, one for equipment and one for manufacturer, a bar chart showing branches, and a column chart displaying equipment turnover time. To apply a drill-down filter, simply click on a branch in the bar chart, for example, Coral Springs. Once selected, Coral Springs becomes a drill-down filter, instantly applying that selection across all other dashboard objects. Want to explore a different branch? Just click another one. You can also hold down the Control key to select multiple branches. Now the dashboard updates to reflect the combined data from all selected branches. To remove a drill-down filter, just click one of the selected members again. You're not limited to starting with the bar chart. Drill-down filters can be applied from any object. For instance, start by selecting RTVs from the Equipment crosstab. Once RTVs are selected, you can refine your view further by choosing a manufacturer from the list, say Kenworth. Now you're focused specifically on Kenworth RTVs. You can take it one step further and select a specific branch, like Lauderhill, and the Equipment turnover time chart now shows data just for Kenworth RTVs at the Lauderhill branch. To clear your filters, you can deselect each one manually, or simply use the Clear All Drill Downs option for a clean slate with one click. Let's try one more example. This time, the Service Revenue Overview dashboard. You can drill down by branch here as well, or by selecting a technician like Noel Carlson. As we can see, Noel has worked across 3 different branches. If the bars are too small to click, like with Pembroke Pines, you can temporarily switch the bar chart to a crosstab, then select Pembroke Pines from there. Now we can see the hours Noel Carlson logged in Pembroke Pines and which customer they were for. In the next lesson, we'll cover how to export data and explore other useful features in the user interface.